Will explain how I solved the code singer problem inversions in an array. So this question, the hint for this question is already given to us, and the hint says that if I is less than j, but the element in the array at index I is greater than j, then then there is going to be an inversion in the array. For example, if I is less than j but the element in the at index I is greater than uh, the element at index j, then then the array is going to have an inversion. So I first initialized a variable count to with 0. To this count is going to count how many inversions and the array has. So I used two nested for loops. I In the outer for loop I use the variable iteration variable j, and I loop through all the elements of the array. In the inner for loop I use the variable I, and I uh, this for loop is going to run for all as long as I is less than j. So we don't have to check if I is greater than j or less than j, because I is always going to remain less than j. So now the question remains that whether the element at index I in the array is greater than j, element in array at index j. If this is true, this expression is true, then the array is going to have an inversion. So I have increased the value of count with 1, and then when finally both the for loops, the nested for loop is done running, the we will get all the inversions in the array. So I have returned the value count. This is how I solved this question about inversions in an array. Thank you.